Hey UTV Boondockers. So in today's episode, we're going to be riding around in West Virginia, around the Foster area. It's very close to the Hatfield-McCoy Trail system, but we're not going on the Hatfield-McCoy Trail system. We've got my buddy that lives here. This is one of his cabins he rents out. If you're interested, I'll have information in the comments. 3 floors, sleeps lots of people. Again, details in the comments. But he knows these trails well. He's going to be our tour guide and take us around all the mountains down here and all these awesome trails. So stay tuned. You're going to see some super cool stuff. Go forward, go forward, go forward, go forward.
Just blindly send it. Oh Lord.
I'm from Michigan. This ain't right. Yeah, so that just happened. A tree caught it. So, and that happened earlier. So we started off on this little goat path behind the cabin. I didn't even really think it was a trail, but yep, sure was. And we went up the mountain and this was the start to our day. So it was pretty cool. Wow. What in the... don't feel natural.
That's what she said.
Is it? Oh, bro.
Can you imagine cutting this in with a bulldozer?
No. It's probably important to mention on day one we determined that, hey, we need to lower the air. So I took the air down to 15 psi on all the tires. It helped a ton.
Just threw two extras in. Apparently they didn't stay where I put them.
All right, guys, so we're going up this hill. Cameras don't do these justice. We are climbing right now. And the feeling you get is you're being kind of thrown, your head's back, you're holding your head up as you're riding, puckering the whole time because there's drop-offs over here. It's just, these are not like regular trails. Those is gonna sound expensive. Oh yeah, that's scratched. Yep. But these trails are unreal. I mean, you kind of get an idea of the elevation that we're climbing. Look at that. You can see the roof. This is just crazy. You have to experience this, so yeah. In the xpedition, not so good. But the engine brake's pretty good.
Engine braking definitely helps, doesn't it?
Yeah, that's... My neighbor's a jackass. Oh, it's fun. A little bit of Campfire Cravings on the trail. I probably should have had my hands on the wheel, but this is actually really good. Oh, hey, thanks, brother. Gotcha. Went through a little construction zone here. Guess they're doing some highway work, like right there.
Well, where's it go? There's no road on the other side of it.
I don't know. It's a new one.
Years. You could bridge down in that connector. It's a swear.
Cool. Yeah, so I didn't know it, but it turns out this was probably the scariest hill of this whole trip, and you can't even tell in the footage.
Going up again.
Yeah, this one right here. Ready?
Yep.
I don't know where they went, but they went up the mountain. Oh, that is a go path. Oh, who does this? Okay. that
I can breathe now.
scary. Man, are we at the top of this shitting thing?
God, I wish I could see the face right now.
Yeah. And we weren't the only one freaking out going up this hill. Climb, climb, climb. This is an X3. This ain't natural. I'm from Michigan. This ain't right. Oh my God. Yeah, but. Oh. Yeah, so we're up here in the bush, just making trails, I guess. They were here at one point.
Oh, it is.
Looks like there's something with a motor in it.
Four-wheeler.
Oh, it looks like
It's a four-wheeler.
it is a four-wheeler.
Looks nice.
Looks like it caught fire and they just left it there.
That's where it sits.
I wouldn't go get it.
Need some parts.
That is. Yeah, these are not groomed. When I say not groomed, this thing was bound and determined to scratch my machine to shit and knock out my light bar, I swear.
Just stay on the throttle, people.
Right. Momentum's your friend.
Yep. Hey, you got a hitchhiker. Caught a tree. Oh my God. Just blindly send it. Yep. Oh Lord.
You had a better line than they did.
I did.
Oh, they're scraping. Somebody was.
Great.
God.
Nice. Oh dear. Ooh. Oh, and a big hole to boot. Holy shit. Christ.
So this isn't one big continuous trail, so every now and again we had to get on some tarmacs and go through some of the hollers, and they were absolutely gorgeous. It was a hot day too.
Country roads take me home to the place that I belong. West Virginia, my mama, take me home. Country roads.
You know, I can't tell you how great this smells. It's like a warm rain on the mountain rock. It's an amazing smell. The wind in your face, it's nice and cool on a hot, humid day. This is absolutely beautiful. I'd be good tooling around doing this for hours. Just trying to get to the next trail, but wow. It's a happy detour, man. This is gorgeous.
I think I learned putting my phone up there. I'll eventually learn. Oh, bottom.
Yeah, so that just happened. A tree caught it. So, and that happened earlier. So we're gonna need some new mirrors.
like.
This is boondocking right here. This is making trails.
Yeah. Little mountain goat action here, fellas.
That's gonna be fun.
Boy, that's pretty steep.
Down they go into the abyss. They go.
Oh, he's sliding, he's sliding.
This is someone's driveway.
Yep.
How'd you like this driveway? I mean, for real. Wow. Next level, man.
Yeah, this is uphill. Big time uphill.
Let me put it in four-wheel drive.
Now, we did have a fair bit of stops here to hydrate and get some snacks, but man, what an excellent trip this is so far. Hope you're enjoying it. There's more to come. Oh, come on!
All right, everybody say lame in the comments. Lame. Lame. There we go. There we go. There, that's not that deep. There you go. Now go on the tire tracks like a real there you go. Yeah. That was deep. That's what winches are for. Let's do it. Oh shit. Nice. Well done, sir. Guess you want to change the tire, there you go. Little belly floppy. Tire, there you go. Wow. Oh shit. My bad, get some. Got it. Nice. Oh, we got a little step up here. Yeah. Would you look at that? You know, want to see this bike ride too? This will be on me. Oh, beautiful. This will be on me. Piece of cake.
So pretty much all the trails we experienced were technical in some way, shape, or form. Now this particular one was washed out and a lot of rocks and stuff. So I'll tell you what, if you ever get a chance to get down to West Virginia, you know, there are some fantastic trails. Just be careful because some of them can be a little intense. Yeah, another thing to consider, tree kickers. If you don't have tree kickers and you want to ride in an area like this, or even in the woods, tree kickers are the way to go. Bent and Twisted Fabrication hooked us up with a set. They were incredible the whole trip.
Who's going next? I guess we are. Oh, I took a picture. Oh, okay. Holy shit! God damn!
Would you believe it? Another flat tire. Another one. Yep. Wrapping up. Gonna go get some food. We got some chickens to eat tonight. Can't wait. Alright, we were heading back. Like I mentioned, we were going to have some chickens over an open fire with salsa, chorizo, all kinds of great stuff. We'll have some pics here in a second. But day 3 is coming. This is when we're going to drive a little bit farther to go see the Devil's Toilet Bowl. It's a really cool little area to ride. So stay tuned for the 3rd part, which is day 3. That's coming. But here's that food. It was really, really good. It was dark when we got back, but definitely worth it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. We're very happy to bring you along and with our experience, but if you liked it, click that like button and consider subscribing. We do a lot of videos like this, and day 3's coming, so you don't want to miss that. Thanks for watching.